Welcome to our Upsolver SQLake template demo series. SQLake is the leading platform for data in motion pipelines. Building pipelines with SQL is incredibly powerful, but also simple. No big data engineering skills or additional systems required to unify batch and stream processing. Simply write a query, create a pipeline. In this demo, we'll walk through the first part of building a pipeline, ingesting data into SQLake. SQLake comes packaged with a number of SQL templates to get you started. And because a pipeline without data isn't very useful, the data ingestion template is one of our most popular. Let's take a look at it. So this template is going to walk us through ingestion of data from S3, Kafka, or Kinesis into SQLake. And Upsolver is even providing a demo S3 connection we can use to see this in action. The first thing the SQLake template asks us to do is to create our demo connection. If we scroll down a bit, we can see sample code we can copy to our own worksheets to create connections to our data source. Now let's create a staging data table, partitioned by event date. We can see this show up immediately in the catalog on the left side of our screen. Now we create our data ingestion job. We'll use this job to copy some JSON data from the Upsolver S3 samples connection we just created. Fast forward a few minutes and everything should be cranking along. The template includes a select star statement so we can confirm our ingestion job is working. And we can see this does indeed look like JSON data with some nested fields, which SQLake has converted to Parquet for storage. We can query our system table to get more details on what jobs are running and how they're performing. Looks like everything's performing as expected here. As SQLake ingests our data, it creates Parquet files in an S3 bucket. We can write SQL statements to perform transformations on the staging table and output that analytics-ready data to a target table in our data lake or data warehouse. SQLake is highly automated. It orchestrates the steps in the query execution, detects and monitors the source schema, creates source statistics, and optimizes the file system including partitioning, compression, and compaction. SQLake manages all of this without any effort required from the creator of the pipeline. Just a few SQL statements, no DAGs, YAML, or manual orchestration. We just ran a few SQL statements and our continuous pipeline is created and orchestrated. That's how easy ingesting data is with the data ingestion template for SQLake. The easiest way to build reliable pipelines for data in motion with SQL in minutes. Start your free trial today at sqlake.upsolver.com.